Here is a song that I've been thinking a lot about lately, since we've been stuck at home, away from everybody we know and love. John Gorka, Love is Our Cross to Bear. Didn't know where to look for you last night. Didn't know where to find you. Didn't know that I could touch that light gathering behind you. Didn't know that I could find a way find you in the morning. Love can pull you out of yesterday, takes you without warning. Wanna be a long time friend to you, long time known. Not one of your yesterday used to be. Summer's fading song. It's from me, it's to you, for your eyes. It's a wait, wonder that is wise. I am here. Love is our cross to bear. You know, I think of you upon that hill, the golden moon arising, stars will shine around us still. Our love is realizing. So until we meet again, I'll throw my arms around you, count the gray hairs in my head. So thankful that I found you. It's for me, it's to you, for your eyes. It's a wait, wonder that is wise. I am here. You are there. Love is our cross to bear. Love is our cross to bear.